How to set up emergency alert in Android phone. Now in order to do that, just simply open your settings app and after that scroll down until you see the option of safety and emergency. After that, simply open safety and emergency and you will see a bunch of options, and among them you need to select the option of emergency SOS. After selecting emergency SOS, it will tell you the procedure of performing emergency SOS in your Android. Now, in order to customize or set up this feature, you just simply need to select all of these options and go into it one by one. You can set up the emergency number to call whenever there is emergency. You can set up this call numbers and customize it from here, and you can also change the method or options to use while the emergency is happening, and in that case you can also set up countdown, play the warning sound, or you need to set up, or you can set up the swipe to call option from here. So like this, you can very easily set up and customize the emergency alert system on Android. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.